Welcome back everyone, and let's continue the series on Python. So first let me remove this code. So let's do some functions, like let's do so here is our function, and now let's try r is equal to result and sq bracket 5. Let's try o. R. Yes, that's important. Oh, what is the error? Let me see. I think we haven't. Oh, that's a mistake. So now let's do. Yes, it worked. 25. But we can see to calculate the square of number, we can do like that 5 into 5. Automatically, we know that it's 25. We did like this. And can we make it more shorter? Like we use 4 lines of code, but can we make it only of just few lines, more smaller? Yes, we can. And without giving a name to the function? Yes. And that comes anonymous function. We'll use it like this. We will do this. A colon A into A, like this. And then we will say lambda. So what we mean the spelling error, like this. So the functions without name are anonymous functions, and for this we use lambda. And in this we require to assign a function to a function, like this is equal to f. Wait a minute. Yes, f is equal to, now it's a function. Now, so we have assigned a function to a function. Yes. And now I'm going to run the code. And now if it's function, I'm going to add here as function needs brackets, like this. So easy method, like, and 25 we have got in just 3 lines of code. So simple. And then to add a number, we'll do this. A plus, and then B. So I'm going to add now 5 and 6. And now let's run the code. As you can see, the code worked. So these are anonymous functions, and we learned how to use lambda. So that's how things work, and I'm going to end the video here, only this small video. So leave in the comment section how the series is going, and if you enjoyed the video, then please press the like button, and I'll see you next time. Till then, and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye.